Bought it for your bitch ass nigga. Remember this nigga, you ain't never chopped nigga. I came in with money nigga, you ain't coming shit. Bum ass nigga, you 5 years in, I'm 6 months in nigga. I already run the laps around your broke ass career. Nigga, you ain't fucking with me a day of your life nigga. That's why you gotta hate on the next nigga. Try to get some clout out the next nigga, try to sell some albums. That's what you and your bitch ass CEO do. Y'all niggas gay nigga. Gotta talk about the next nigga, try to get some motherfucking album sale. This the only day you gonna get some motherfucking clout from me. Bitch ass nigga.
Nah. Boy, you a straight up biatch. Hey, go sell some her, nigga. You remember you was selling her and shit in high school? Huh? Lame ass nigga. You a whole hoe, nigga. Man, I'll tell you how lame this nigga is. Talking about you the icest young nigga in the city.
Bitch, you lying.
Whoa, I don't even want to beef with you. I mean, waking up to this bullshit, this shrimp ass nigga, man. Hey, I just look like that, bro. You know what I'm talking about? I know how to fight. I will beat your ass, nigga. Nice ass nigga. Hey, man, say, man. I let my money talk for me, man. You know what I'm talking about? My watch costs more than a nigga whole jewelry set up. Than a nigga whole jewelry box. Hey, little bro, calm down. It's cool. Lick your lips or something, man. That motherfucker crack the motherfucker. Please. Damn, you that mad? Oh, yeah, one last thing before I go. If you ever sold True Religion outfits, Baby Fat outfits, purses, MCM backpacks, you know what I'm saying, hair, and you a nigga, I can't beef with you. I can't beef with you. I can't beef with you, bro.